everyone to Project Mixologist. I'm Jason Catalano, and on this channel we like to do budget mixology so that you can get some flavor firepower. Today on this episode we're going to be going over the Banana Cherry Southern Comfort Breakfast Smoothie. Alright, thanks for joining me for today's episode. We're going to be doing a breakfast smoothie. Just to give a little overview of this, it's going to be big time banana flavor. We're going to put some cherries in there to kind of complement the flavor with a Southern Comfort flavoring. Don't worry, it's non-alcoholic, so no alcohol in this particular smoothie. And it's a breakfast smoothie, so it's going to be designed to be balanced, something that you can definitely do as a meal replacement in the morning. It's going to give you protein, it's going to give you some good complex carbs, it's going to fuel your day. So with that, let's go over the ingredients. So we're going to be doing 1 scoop of protein powder of your choice. We're going to be doing 7 ounces of almond milk. You can definitely swap this for regular milk. You can put water in here if you want it more watery. I think almond milk's a good, perfect in between both of those. We're going to be doing a 1/4 cup of oats. So a lot of people do oatmeal in the morning for the complex carbs. This can provide energy throughout the day. We're doing 1 ounce of a banana puree. You could also use 1 ounce of your favorite juice. It's going to alter it a little bit, but what this is going to give is some nice good sugar to make it a little bit sweeter, and plus it's going to just make the banana flavor pop a lot more. We're going to be doing 1/2 cup of Greek yogurt right here. This provides a lot more of the protein, so between these two we're getting a lot of our protein, good creaminess, and then what I also like about Greek yogurt, some probiotics. We're also going to be putting a 1/2 cup of yellow squash. So the squash particularly good in manganese. It's got that nice yellow color to complement the banana. It's not too sweet, especially for a vegetable, not too bitter. Really goes really good. You can swap out cauliflower for that as well if you want to do cauliflower. Do 1/2 cup of cherries, frozen cherries. Once again, cherries, not the most nutritious fruit, but it is pretty sweet. Very easy to put it in smoothies. And it does provide a little bit of nutrition. 1 cup or 1 full banana. It's going to be 4 of these little banana pieces. Banana is going to be giving you good potassium and overall some, little bit of sweetness to go along with it. So with that, let's go ahead and let's blend up. So first we're going to do 1 ounce of the banana puree. Got the jigger. Once again, you can put in apple juice here or banana oil or something like that. I personally just like this, pretty cheap, $6 at Total Wine. Next, we're going to be putting in the almond milk. So for the almond milk, once again, you can throw in 7 ounces of regular milk if you want, but this is just going to go up to the 1 cup line. Boom. And those are going to be our liquids. Next, we're going to go ahead and put a dry, so we're going to put in the oats. This is going to be a 1/4 cup of the oats. If you want more of the oats, go ahead and put that. This total recipe is about 500 calories, 520 calories, and 40 grams of protein, so you can play around with the calories if you want. Okay, so we've got the oats in there, good creaminess. Next, we're going to throw in our Greek yogurt. This is going to be a 1/2 cup. Greek yogurt. Another way to do a 1/2 cup, I like to just do kind of 3 spoonfuls. Nice good spoonful, and do about 3 of those. Good spoonful, 3 of those. Okay. Next, we're going to be doing the 1/2 cup of the squash. Okay. 1/2 cup of the squash. Once again, nice bright yellow flavor. This is really going to go well. You don't have to pack it in, I just do. There you go. That's 1 full serving's worth of vegetables as well. So kind of cool that you get those vegetables in at breakfast time. Cherries, same thing, 1/2 cup. Once again, you don't have to pack this. gotta put enough where you think, okay, I'm gonna get the flavor. Usually I do about 6, 7 cherries. Yeah, there we go. It's about 6 or 7 cherries, throw those in. Okay, next 4 little banana pieces. I just quarter them up. Those are frozen. It's gonna give a nice, good texture. Boom. And last but not least, we're gonna be doing protein powder. 1 full scoop. Once again, if you want more protein, you can always just put in a little bit more. Almost done with this one. Okay, so 1 full scoop. Okay, and with that, let's go ahead and blend. One last thing we gotta do, we gotta add in our 1 milliliter of the Southern Comfort flavoring. You can find this at brewhouse.com. Its flavor profile is right after Southern Comfort liqueur, so think of bourbon and kind of a nice mature orange, deep dark cherry. I just go get one of these little droppers. I put in about 1 milliliter. And that's going to complement the kind of banana cherry, the sweetness. This is going to kind of mellow that flavor profile out. Okay, and so now we're going to pour it. Into our glass. And it should come out fairly thick, a little bit runny, not too thick. Add ice if you want to thicken it up a little bit. Okay. And so let's go ahead and taste it. Cheers. So first taste, it's a very subdued almost banana. The cherry's not quite as prominent, but you get some hints of it. You know, it's definitely kind of, I like it. It's definitely a mellow version of banana with cherry. The Southern Comfort definitely mellows out the flavor profiles. At the end, it kind of kicks back up a little bit into that banana cherry. Overall, really, really good though. You kind of get that Southern Comfort ending lingering, and it's really, really nice. Okay, second taste. So, yeah, texture-wise, you definitely get that kind of oats coming through. A little bit of the Greek yogurt, but overall, like I said, it's a very kind of mellow cherry and banana. It doesn't pop at you, but this is something for every day that I think could really be really good. If you really want to get that banana flavor to even kick even more, you can always add in more the banana puree. You can always add in more bananas, but I think that kind of mixture of 1 cup banana, 1/2 cup cherry, it gives a very kind of just mellow type of vibe. So once again, the squash completely hidden. So you get that serving of vegetables completely hidden, but overall, I would say this is really good. I'd have to say probably grade 82, 82.5. Kind of in that B- range. It's something that I would definitely drink during summertime. Maybe if you add a little bit of lemon juice during like the summertime to kick up the acidic level. But overall, this is definitely a worthwhile smoothie. Yeah, it's nothing pops at you. Very mellow, chill. Love the chill vibes of this. So with that, this is the Banana Cherry Southern Comfort Breakfast Smoothie. Go ahead and leave a comment down below in the comment section. Let me know if there's any different changes you would make to the smoothie, what your thoughts of this type of smoothie is, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.